Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and I'm here today to share with you another great success story from the team. So in February this year, client came on board. His backstory was really quite sad. He'd been through financial difficulties, mental health difficulties, basically lost everything. He lost his business, relationship broke down, and because of that, he was left with 2 defaults on his credit report. Now, at the moment, he's now looking to build his very first home, but he couldn't do that because of 2 defaults on his credit report. So his broker sent him to us. Within 8 weeks, we'd removed both defaults, further to my personal negotiations that I do for each and every one of our clients that are on board, and emailed him a shiny new credit report. And he's actually getting his paperwork together as we speak to give to his broker to submit the loan so we can build his very first dream home. So please get in touch if you've got any inquiries about your credit report, your credit score. Maybe you just need some education. We don't charge anything upfront for default or court action removals. You only pay if and when we're successful, and we have very fair fees and service. I look forward to hearing from you should you get in touch, and thanks for listening.